The news that we are all excited about as Chelsea fan is that Xabi Alonso is the new Chelsea FC manager. And I know that the bad news are we lost the FA Cup, and then I think the good news just after that were like, now we have a manager. And you heard me correctly, it's manager. This is the guy that will be the manager of the Chelsea Football Club, not the head coach, because the head coach thing has been working. And Bluco were like, you know what, this season we are going to make sure that we change whatever we've been trying to do, because we just realized now it's not working. We're going to try to adapt into what people have been doing inside the football industry. So I think it's a good thing that they went in for a guy that actually has been proven is good enough. He can come in and actually lay down the system that will work for this team. Because I think at the end of the day, Chelsea was not a team that's because what the players they signed were very bad. We were not bad because when Enzo Maresca was around, at some point in the beginning of the season, we were number 3. We were actually in the talks of chasing for the league if we were continuing with that type of form that we were having in the beginning of the season. But that form actually disappeared, and especially when Enzo left, it's kind of been like a problem, because I remember we played 13 games, we won 7. First 13 games we only won 7, and we were doing well. And I think now we only won about 13-14 games. So that means all the games after that we've been actually struggling to get points and wins. So I think having Alonso is just an exciting moment that actually we are going in the right direction, even though they vocal out that they were looking for a manager, a proper one that will going to be coming and help them with signings as well. So my thing is, Alonso will come in, guys like Garnacho, Gittins, I think those are the guys that needs to be offloaded, like Pandashile, those are the guys, Tosin, those are the guys that needs to move away and also get in the new guys. And I think the guys that I have in mind are just 2 signings that I think right now, if we can have those signings, the team will actually be better. I think if we can go and sign Sanesi and also sign Bakola from PSG, I think those are the 2 players that I think if Alonso can go to Bluco and say, I want these 2 guys, I think maybe I will be like, okay, there is something that you are cooking at Stamford Bridge. It's going to be the exciting season next season. But yeah, we'll see what Alonso comes with. And I think you probably know him coaching the Leverkusen, producing stars like Vets that went on to sign with big money by Liverpool. Hasn't been having a good season in the Premier League. And I think also those are the things that most Chelsea fans are concerned about with Alonso. They're concerned about the fact that he's been coaching at Bundesliga. He won the league there. He won the domestic cup, and he also was beaten in the final of the Europa. So he almost won the triple for Bayern Leverkusen. But people were saying that Bundesliga is not physical as Premier League, and then he went on to coach Real Madrid, which I think he did great, even though he just failed to actually manage that dressing room because of these superstars clash that are there. And I'm looking in Chelsea's side, I'm thinking, who are the guys that maybe might give him a problem? And I'm looking at that squad. I don't think there will be someone that's out of that team that will give him problem as such. So I think he can come into the dressing room and just take over the dressing room, making sure that he controls everything. And I think I like this about Enzo Fernandez as well, the player. I know a lot of people have been talking about him, of what he said when he was in the FIFA calendar of season, and then but living in Madrid, and people were saying, yeah, he's going to leave. But I think this is the guy that's all the time when he plays for Chelsea, he wants to win. This is the guy that's all the time, he always encourages the others, guys, let's just keep on going, keep on going. So I think if Alonso can come in and prove to us that he can bring in a good system that will work for Chelsea to win games, I think this is the guy that will produce even more, because when he's happy, he's gonna produce something amazing. And also he's the guy that's always trying to work hard and win. So I think we need him to be around the team. So if Alonso can come in and just convince him, like, look, give me this season, I'm building everything going forward, we're going to start winning trophies, we're going to start challenging for the Premier League, we're going to start trying to put ourselves in the teams that can able to win Champions League every season. So I think those are the ambitions that we have as fans, regardless of the standard of the club that we used to. And especially if you've been enjoying Chelsea under Abramovich, you kind of like not understanding what is happening now, because these are the struggling times where we're supposed now to soldier on, try to come back. And next season, we not going to have any European football. So I think he will have more time to work with the team as well. In between those weeks, or playing every weekend is going to be easy for us because we'll be just around making sure that he takes all the system that he wants to put on the players. So I think having Xabi Alonso is just a good start of these pre-seasons that is going to show us what exactly Bluco wants to do, and if they're saying they are changing what they've been doing, what are the change exactly that they're going to bring in. I think bringing a guy like Xabi Alonso is going to be amazing. And I know Liverpool fans right now are fuming because lots of them, they've been calling for Alonso to come and coach them or save them from Slots, because a lot of them, they don't get along with Slots. And I think that's the problem with them. They mentioning that because Slots is doing that, they want their guy, Xabi Alonso, someone who understands the culture. But unfortunately, the Bluco went in and get that guy. And I think I'm not going to blame Alonso for this one as well, because he's not going to be stay around without a job while Liverpool is saying they are fine with Slots. So he came in, and I think he always been wanting to actually coach in the Premier League. I think this is a chance for him, and I think this is what I like about the brand as Chelsea. As much as we are not doing well, but we're still able to go out there and actually attract top managers as well in the class right now. So I think this is the good news for us as Chelsea fan. This is the good news going forward, and we know a lot of people will have their concerns. There's be a lot of questions. There'll be lots of things that some people won't be happy about the decision, because some people, they will have their own candidates that they will prefer actually to come in. But I think the one thing that will unite us will be the results on the field. And if Alonso comes in and gives to us those results as soon as possible, and I think it's going to be easy going forward. Everyone that is not on board will be rushing to jump on board, because I think this is just a good signing by Bluco. Shout out to them. And I think right now they need to make sure that we release all of these players that are not the quality of Chelsea standard. We try to replace them with the players that are actually going to come in and fight for the team and give us what we need, because I think even though the season is not going to be hectic, but if we can actually challenge for the league next season and also try to win cups as well, because there are cups available to us as well that we're going to win. So I think Alonso can come in and do well. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Up the Blues.